Hi everyone, happy summer. Nothing says summer like tomatoes and peaches for me. So today we're gonna make a great pie. I'm gonna first introduce to you the ingredients. Obviously 3 peaches, 1 stick of butter. My sugar, I have divided 1 cup here, half a cup here, cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a little bit less than a teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 2 cups of flour, and here I'm going to teach you a trick. Everybody will tell you you need 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla, but I will tell you otherwise. For every cake you make, put some alcohol. So I'm going to put a little bit bourbon. I'm gonna put a little bit of my homemade vanilla, which is awesome, like a quarter teaspoon maybe. And then because we have peaches, with peaches and apricot, I always put a little hint of almond essence. So a little bit of almond flavor, and this is gonna be to take the egginess out of our eggs. Okay, let's get to it. So make sure that it's the middle rack we're gonna use, bake, and 350 Fahrenheit, and warm it up. So here I just put enough, not too much oil in my skillet. Okay, so right away you want to clean your surface. So you see this sifter is as old as me. It's very old, I'm not gonna change it. So what I'm doing here, I'm gonna put all my dry ingredients. First my flour, I'm gonna add my baking soda, my baking powder, my salt, and then the 2 cups of flour. This way I have gotten rid of all these dishes, okay? I don't like to have too much in my face. And what I do, I sift my flour. Very important to sift your flour because you see at the end you have these things, granules that you don't want to have. Okay, so that's that. Then I add my cinnamon to the half cup of sugar here. So I got rid of this too, because this here is gonna be serving another purpose. Okay, beautiful, it smells delish. Okay, so this is here. Now I'm gonna put this, the butter, this, and this goes here. See, already so much cleaner. Beautiful peaches. They don't get any better than this. Oh, you see how easy when they're ripe, they come out really nicely. And you don't want it too ripe, you don't want it too mushy, and of course you don't want it too hard. And just cut like this. That's just fine. 4 peaches. You want peach here? Make 4 peaches. But as long as we have this many peaches, we are good. Okay. So we have this. We have our dry ingredients. We can even take this out because I already put my bourbon, my almond, and my vanilla inside. Now we're gonna have some fun. Because my butter is so soft, it takes no time to whip it. And you want to cream your butter. Trust me, this is the #1 important thing in cake making. You really want your butter to be melted with your sugar and not to hear or taste or see the sugar inside. You're whipping the cream. So when we are halfway through, you want to scrape. You are scraping all of it. Okay. The only thing I left in the fridge, because everything is room temperature, is the sour cream. The sour cream is part of the wet ingredients. That's why I'm taking it out now. So I add my eggs, 2 eggs. Adding my sour cream. Sour cream makes this cake really very fluffy and moist. This is really the moisture that we are adding to the layers of this cake. So we are almost done. Now we are adding all of our dry ingredients. I like to do it in a couple of steps, not all together. So on the sides, separate everything. Oh. So here I have oiled my skillet already, like you saw. I put about half of the dough. Half of it goes here, all around. More. And, okay, so we take our peaches. You don't want to push it too much. You just want to hold around. I think I have about 2 peaches here. Huh, beautiful. The first layer. One of my favorite smells, cinnamon and sugar. Look at this. Now we go for the second layer. This is the second layer. I have to do it this way so the camera can capture it. Okay. Now you go like this and you cover peaches. You want to see them also because we have a second layer to go around. Kind of, you eyeball it, not too much, not too little. That's the artsy part, right? Okay, and a little more, so squeeze the bowl. Okay, and here, where there is no peach in between, I'm gonna put some. It's a bit juicy. Oh, so good. Ooh, yeah. I don't want to leave any peaches behind. I want to use them all. Yes. And again, okay. Let's clean up our work. All here. Clean. Here, we close it, and now we set the timer. I'm gonna put, it's between 30 and 40 minutes. I'm gonna put 35. And now we have to wait. Oh, and I know you're gonna ask, what is this? I'm gonna teach you how to make this too. Now we have to wait. We cannot touch it now. We have to let it cool down. Okay, here is our peach cake, really moist in the inside and very crusty on the outside. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, check out my TikTok, Harvard Cooking Girl, my Instagram, Harvard Cooking Girl, and YouTube, of course. Give us a like. And oh, this is next. We're gonna teach this next. Bye.